Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this poisoned pumpkin themed cake. This video is a collaboration with Lynz over at Cakes by Lynz. I will have her information. When my cake was covered, I took a wooden skewer and I marked out the shape of the eyes and the nose. This is just going to be a guide for me. I went down and did the drips as well, all the way around the cake. I have some white buttercream in a piping bag with a small circle tip, and I'm just outlining the eyes and the mouth. This is going to make sure that I've got some nice clean lines. If I tried to do this all with just my spatula, it would be an absolute mess and you'd probably lose the shape of the face. Now that all the borders are defined, I'm going in with more buttercream and just covering the entire top of the pumpkin. I smoothed it down with my cardstock, and it can help to put the buttercream in the fridge just for like 10 minutes. So that when you're scraping it away, it is a little more firm and you can get a smoother finish versus if you're just using soft buttercream. You can just drag around the cake and it can take you longer to smooth it down. I took some red food coloring gel on a fluffy brush and I'm just defining the grooves in my pumpkin a little bit more, just stippling that color on there. I have some light brown fondant and some white fondant for the stem, and I'm adding a little bit more brown food coloring to that. And I'm just going to start to mix this together, twisting the fondant around. You want to stop right before it starts to come together. You do want to have some streaks of color in there. And then I'm going to start shaping the stem. You can do whatever you want. If you want to do a smaller stem, bigger stem. I wanted mine to like curve a little bit and the top to flare out. Pumpkins look so different, you can basically make anything. And this was a final result, guys. I hope you enjoyed this break from fondant and modeling chocolate. I wanted to throw a buttercream cake in here. Please don't forget to check out Lynz's video. Her channel is amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.